What's up, fellas? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to find liked posts on Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping your profile icon on the lower right corner and then tap on the three lines icon on the top right. And once you are there, just go to your activity in how you use Instagram section. In here, you will find the option of likes. Head over to it. And in here, you can find the types of contents you liked. So just tap on to filter it out to all content types. So just select the posts only and tap on apply. So here are the posts that you have liked with your account. So yeah, this is how you can find liked posts on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.